Hello, good evening.
Evening, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. Thanks for asking. What about you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How is your day going then?
My day is going as
As
usual.
usual. All right. So you had your lunch?
Yes, ma'am. I
Okay,
had lunch.
okay. That's great. So you read the session notes today then?
Yes, ma'am. I got the chance to read the notes.
Exactly. Okay. All right. So what is the topic then?
Mystery.
Exactly. So what do you understand by the term mystery? First of all, tell me.
Something is fishy. Like it
Something is
cannot
fishy.
be. Something is fishy and it cannot be solved. That is called mystery.
Correct. Correct. Very good. Very good word you're using. Something is fishy. Something which remains unsolved, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. So, do you know any of the mysteries which can't be solved, like in your family, or have you heard any mysteries on the TV?
Yeah. I heard lot of mystery. Yeah, when I saw the YouTube, then I got the some kind of mystery like Bermuda Triangle and
Correct.
uh, Burari
Murder
mystery.
case.
It is in a Delhi. So
Hmm.
these kind of thing I search and actually one day my daughter was watching the mystery, so that's why uh, I was uh, I was watching that mystery.
Okay. So your daughter was watching it, and you also watched it, right?
Yeah, when my
Okay.
daughter
That's
was watching, so I joined her.
okay. Perfect. Got you. Just open your session notes. Let's read the few lines. Okay.
Okay, can I read this?
Yes, please.
The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, is
Hmm.
an urban legend focused on a loosely defined region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean, where a number of aircraft and ships are said to have disappeared under mysterious circumstances.
So, what happened in Bermuda Triangle? Can you tell me within your words? Hmm.
Bermuda Triangle is that it is located in the western part of Atlantic Ocean, and
Correct.
in this area the planes and the any ships when they connect to the area of the Bermuda Triangle, they got disappeared. They get
Correct. Very good.
disappeared.
Exactly. Okay. So as soon as they enter the devil's triangle, they don't return back. That is the mystery.
Yeah, they don't return back, and that is
Hmm.
the mystery.
Okay. So can you imagine, like, what do you feel that where do the people go then?
I don't know. I don't know where do they go. I don't know. That's
Okay.
why it's a mystery, and
Exactly.
no people can define where the people go.
Exactly. I think you know what I saw one movie in which they told me that okay, those people entered in 2023 and they were very shocked. Okay, which world we are living in, which timeline we are in. They were so shocked because they had no idea what is the
Yes,
time, what is the place.
yes.
Correct. All right. So let's read the next case, Burari murders.
Next. Okay.
Okay, one thing. Wait, just tell me the difference between LOOSE lose and LOSE lose. Let's read the story of the cursed village of Kuldhara.
Yes.
Hmm.
Yeah. Kuldhara. The
Hmm.
settlement of Kuldhara, Rajasthan, had a population of roughly 1,500 people for over 500 years. They all
Hmm.
vanished one night. They did not die or get kidnapped. They simply vanished. The cause for their his hasty
Hasty departure
departure is buried in the midst of time. Some
in the
claim the
mists. MIST's mists of time.
midst of time. Some
Hmm.
claim fleeing, they were fleeing tyrannical
Ty-
rulers,
tyrannical rulers.
tyrannical rulers,
Hmm.
taxes. While the tale of young lovers and the girls uh,
Enraged.
enraged father, a
Hmm.
powerful
Hmm.
figure in the area, whatever the reason for the blazers' abandonment,
Abandonment.
abandonment, one thing is certain: feel, as they flee, as they fled, they curse the region, promising that no one would ever live there again.
Again. So first of all, tell me what is the meaning of this word hasty departure? The cause for their hasty departure मतलब क्या होता है किसी का जाना.
Yeah.
हेस्टी मतलब जल्दी में कि बहुत जल्दी जल्दी वो लोग चले गए. दे लेफ्ट इन हरी.
Okay.
ओके. हम डिपार्चर वर्ड कब यूज करते हैं? फॉर एग्जाम्पल समवन डाइड, तो हम क्या बोलते हैं? देयर डिपार्टेड सोल, मतलब जो आत्मा उनकी जा चुकी है. देयर डिपार्टेड सोल.
Their departed soul.
Okay,
Okay.
this is the meaning of word departure, जो जा चुके हैं. Okay, and the next word I think you used is enraged. Enraged
And
father, what can it mean?
for the live person cannot be used this.
No, no, departed basically means कि वो चला गया है. Okay, so that's why you can, it can be used for the, okay, they left, they departed. You can also use, for example, there was a meeting of the chief ministers and they left that place. You can say okay that they departed from the parliament. ओके. डिपार्टमेंट मतलब लेफ्ट, मतलब जाना. उसको आप किसी
Okay.
से भी यूज कर सकते हो, एक लाइव सोल के लिए भी एंड एक डेड सोल के लिए भी. ओके,
Okay.
करेक्ट. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस वर्ड एनरेज्ड? एनरेज्ड फादर. एनरेज्ड मतलब कि वो बहुत गुस्से वाले फादर, हु इज वेरी एंग्री एंड हु इज वेरी फ्यूरियस.
Okay. And then is
Okay,
curious.
enraged father. Generally, you know that fathers are, men are very furious. They get very
Yeah.
angry easily, right? That's
Yeah.
why it's written. And what is the meaning of this word abandonment? So you know what? I'm happy that you read those words. Now you know the meaning. Okay, just go and revise those words again because abandon is a very common word. It means to leave a place or when you're taken out of some place. तो कह सकते हैं कि उनको निकाल दिया गया था, तो वो खुद निकल गए थे या उनको निकाल दिया गया था. They were abandoned.
We were abandoned.
ओके, जस्ट रिमेंबर दिस वर्ड अबैंडन. अब आप उसको वर्ड को अबैंडन भी बोल सकते हो, आप अबैंडनमेंट भी बोल सकते हो. यू कैन यूज एनीथिंग बट यू हैव टू
Okay.
रिमेंबर द वर्ब
Meaning,
अबैंडन.
meaning, meaning are same.
या मीनिंग इज सेम. लाइक वी से ना, इट ओनली डिपेंड्स अपॉन द टेंस. कि जैसे हम बोलते हैं कि ही इज रीडिंग और ही हैज रेड, मतलब तो एक ही, वो पढ़ रहा है, बस टेंस बदल रहा है कि वो पढ़ रहा होगा या उसने पढ़ लिया होगा.
Okay.
राइट. मीनिंग इज ओनली सेम, टेंस चेंजेस.
Okay.
Okay, so abandon basically means that you have left something or left some place. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, all right.
Ma'am,
So tell me,
I
can you
am.
tell me?
Can you see me, ma'am?
No, no, I can't see you. Like your
Now?
camera is off. No, I can't. Like, is your camera on?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, my camera is on. Ma'am, can I
It,
rejoin?
no, no, it's okay. We can continue. No, it's okay. I can. You can hear me, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's fine. Then there is no issue. Affect basically, you know what? Just write down these words. Affect basically means impact.
Impact. Okay.
Okay, how is it impacting the children? How is it affecting the children?
Okay.
Okay, and the next word is effect. EFFECT, effect.
Yeah.
Effect basically mean the result. For example, I can ask you what are the effects of attending English Yari sessions? What is the result of attending those sessions?
Yes.